Daily feeding tip. You guys know that I am all about thinking through the oral motor why that might be impacting a child's feeding skills. So how do we take that information and combine it with a child's sensory needs, which are also a real and important, meaningful picture of their feeding abilities? Well, I would always say that we want the things that we do in our sessions to be child-led and meaningful to them. So I would start with figuring out, well, what is this child's sensory profile? What type of input do they prefer? What type of input do they avoid? Do they like passive input? Do they like dynamic input? Do they need to be in control of the input that's happening to their own face and mouth? Maybe they have low body awareness and would benefit from like a mirror being in front of them. In addition to things like modeling. Perhaps to increase their feeling of safety, you should let them put their hands on your face and mouth before you put your hands on their face and mouth. So honestly, for sensory processing kids, it's going to be different from kid to kid, which is true for all the kids we work with. But definitely taking that individualized, specific look at their sensory system and then modifying their learning opportunities with how you present for them to participate in feeding and oral motor structured activities is going to help them be more successful and hopefully enjoy the great things that you guys can do in feeding together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's daily feeding tip, be sure to click subscribe below to join the Peds Feeding Tribe YouTube channel to get more content just like this and hear all my daily feeding tips.